How to deposit a check with Bank of America mobile app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily deposit a check with Bank of America mobile app. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to your Bank of America mobile application, and once you're inside here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you log into your account, on the step 2, just tap on this deposit checks button over here, and once you tap on that button, just tap front of the check. Take a clear photo of the front of your check by holding your device directly over the check as shown on the picture over here, and they will take the photo for you, or tap the camera icon to take the photo manually. So the green check mark will indicate that photo has been captured, just like this. And once you do that, on the next step, just tap the back of the check just like this and follow the same process to capture the photo. And under the step 6, this green check mark will indicate the photo has been captured, as you can see. And just tap select account. Select the account where you want to deposit the money, and simply select enter amount and enter the dollar amount for deposit, and just tap on next. Simply review the details for accuracy, then just tap on submit, and you will finally get a confirmation that your deposit is processing, and they will also send you an email confirmation. You can also see your deposit in your account details by simply heading over to account option and just tap on done. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. The video was. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.